should probably turn the microphone on if I want them to be able to hear me. Hello, hello. All right. So we're continuing with this is bridge build day, if you're building a bridge. So I'm going to have a little demo. Those of you not building a bridge, you're welcome to watch. I've actually set up so that the camera stream is also copied onto the front board so that you can see in full detail what I will be doing. I'm going to show off a little demo here. This is mostly for the online folks, since I think we just have one building. Right? No, Cynthia, are you building bridge? Yep. Yeah, okay, so we got two now building in person. Okay, so supplies are up here. So when I'm done, you guys can pick up your supplies and get your first build done, hopefully done. The rest of you, start working on whatever it is that you're missing working on. Okay, you can do that while I'm over here talking. Have at it. All right. So, toothpicks and marshmallows. I have toothpicks here, marshmallows there. If anyone online needs supplies, come by the school. You can pick some up. I've got plenty. Just to give you an idea of what this could look like, I whipped this guy up in 4th period. Okay. So we started with a base of triangle lattices. I tried squares. Squares weren't good enough. They couldn't even hold their own weight. I was trying to hold it and it would just bend. It collapsed under itself. But the triangles were stiff enough. That gave it enough support that it could hold together. That's why you noticed lots of triangles on the trusses. But just a flat bridge, it held its own weight, but no more than that. I could barely set it up to cross between, say, 2 boxes of toothpicks, and it didn't even hold the car. So I had to go 3D. A flat bridge is not going to cut it. You need vertical component to it, right? So then I went with a triangular cross section, and I built up across here. And now you can see this bridge now holds its own weight. It's a solid structure. It doesn't bend or collapse by itself. It's a whole thing. But I can bend it. See, it's still not perfect. I've got my strip of paper here as a road. So the first test your bridge must endure is I need to be able to fit my Batmobile across it. All right, so make sure you have enough clearance to allow a Matchbox car to drive through. It's a little bit of a bumpy ride, but it gets the job done. Get out of there, okay? Second requirement is the testing hook. So I need to be able to pass this dowel rod through your bridge somewhere, anywhere, it doesn't really matter. I'll aim for somewhere in the middle. But you can't make such a solid, like, picket fence wall that I can't fit this across your bridge. Because this is going to go through, and then I clip that back around on the other side, and then hang the weights from here while your bridge rests between 2 sides, between 2 desks, actually. Right? What's that? What? So imagine I pull 2 desks up next to each other. I set your bridge down to span the gap, right? And then this pulls the weight. You can see this guy doesn't even really hold the weight of the stick. So your bridge has to be better than this. Let's see if I hold it up here. It's struggling. Oh, it's not going to cut it. So this bridge does not pass the weight test at all. But I didn't expect it to. This is a baseline. You guys should be doing better. This is why you researched real trusses, right? So you build this solid vertical truss that holds weight, okay? Make a matching one on the other side, okay? And put together some kind of, you'll have to figure out how you want to connect the two across the bottom and the top. Do you want to go full square around? Hold weight. Okay. Any questions there? All right. I've got paper here. You can cut your own strip for your little road. I've got wax paper here. Please lay that down on the desk so you don't get anything sticky. You start skewering these marshmallows enough times, they start to get sticky stuff everywhere. So put that down to work on top of. And I've got plenty of weight. We can we can really put this thing to the test. I've got several hundred kilograms, not 100 kilograms. Yeah, probably, I would say it's maybe 100 kilograms. This is 1,000 grams, so this is a kilogram. And this is more than enough. I've got lots of these little ones, so we can add up weight just a little bit at a time until it collapses. So have at it, your first bridge build. Phase 1 needs to be done by Friday. So that means you need to upload picture of your design, sketch it out, your build. So this is my finished build. I would take a picture of this, upload that, and the results of your test. So if you can finish here in class today, we can put it to the test here. Otherwise, set it aside. You can come back later in the day or after school if you want to finish that up or take it home with you. At some point, put your bridge to the test. Okay? If you don't have these weights, take it home and hang whatever you find. Try to put a book on top of it, whatever you have. All right? Okay.